Welcome to my channel Home Orchestration. The Christmas season is coming up and it is time to decorate our houses. We all do Christmas decorations in our living rooms and kitchens, but this year I want to bring a touch of Christmas to our bedrooms as well. For this, I'm planning to stitch a Christmas themed duvet cover. If you have two Christmas themed bedsheets as I have, then we can transform them into a beautiful duvet cover. In this video, let us see how. If you are using a new fabric, then please wash it before starting this project. There is a tendency to shrink after the first wash, especially with cotton fabric. So wash, dry, and then iron your fabric. My sheets are not of the same size, so place them together on the floor, mark the extra fabric, and cut the edges to bring it to the same measurements. My duvet is of size 200 by 200, so the measurement of the fabric should be more than 200 by 200 centimeters. The width of the fabric should be 205 centimeters. That is the measurement of the duvet plus the extra 2.5 centimeters on both sides. I'm keeping the length of the fabric as 230 centimeters, so I could tuck the remaining fabric under the bed. So stitch 3 sides, leaving the 4th side open. Either you can use a zipper to close it or you can keep it open. Lock the edges of this side. So let's start with this side and then continue stitching 3 sides.